Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of crude has moved in the last week and how the price of crude can move in the next week. See, if you look at the chart of crude, what we have seen, crude is trading at around $71.83. Okay, and if you look at this particular chart, what we have seen, a narrow pattern is trying to form at this particular level and a doji candle has formed yesterday. Okay, and if you look at the overall trend, we have seen that the price is moving in a range. This is the range for quite some time, and there is not a volatility we have seen like we have seen after pandemic. There is huge volatility we have seen. Okay, after making a high of around $130, it came to a level of 123 again, but it didn't sustain and there is a continuous fall. So what we can see looking at this particular chart for the next week, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I have given in the description. You can join that too. See, for this particular week we have seen a green candle is forming, otherwise from 4 weeks there is a continuous fall. Chances are very high that suppose if this level, then it can move towards a level of $73.08. Okay, this 73.0 at a level is a resistance which is already being a weak resistance. So chances can be high if this level sustain, it can go further upside and can go towards a level of $75.32. $75.32 is already being a weak resistance, so chances are very high it can cross that particular zone and can go towards a level of 77. Keep that in mind. Once the price sustains 77, chances of going further high is there, and from there we can see it can go further upside towards a level of $77.97 to a level of 78.99. Suppose if the price move above that particular zone, it is on a higher chances that this is the level which is already a level of 80.33 is already a weak resistance, so chances are high it can cross that particular zone and chances of touching 82.89 is there, and from there we can see it can touch a level of 83.91. okay, and suppose if the price sustain above that level, chances of going further high will be there, and then we can see it can touch a level of $85.5. so suppose if the price sustain $85.5, then yes, a high chances of going further upside is there. Then a probability is that we can see a level of 86.87 to a level of 89.53. okay, and if the price sustain above this level, then we can see it can go further upside. But as you can see, that market is uncertain. okay, it can go upside or downside. If there is a sharp fall or sharp rise, there is a big event, only that is where we can see a sharp rise and sharp fall can happen. But otherwise, how market move, it will fall for some time, then it goes upside. In the same way, it will hold for some time, then it comes down. okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, it can go further low towards a level of $69.9. $69.9 is already a weak support, so chances are high it can move further low, and a probability of touching 69, and from there we can see a level of around $65.59. after 69, chances are high that 68 is a support from a bounce back can come from that point. But if that didn't sustain, chances of touching 65.59 will be there, and there will be a zone breakup going towards a level of 64.47 will be there, and then we can see it can move further down towards a level of 60 and then to a level of 59.39. and once the price goes below that level, then we can see it can move further low. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe.